So I just finished putting together this TaoTronics TT-DL072 LED floor lamp. After I show you how I put it together, I'll show you the really cool features of this LED floor lamp. Okay, so here's the box. It's surprisingly small for the size of the lamp it's going to become. It's like 11 inches by 13-inch box, which is surprising to me. But let's open it up. Okay, just a little piece of bubble wrap. Here's the box in a box. I'll get rid of this one. So it's pretty nicely packaged. It says LED floor lamp. This is a TaoTronics TT-DL072 LED floor lamp. So let's open it up. Okay, here's a little manual. There's the plug and the cord. Check the length of that later. Pretty well packaged. This looks like the actual lamp portion. It's a gooseneck lamp. And it looks like everything is actually together. It's just a matter of screwing in each of the sections, I think. Let's pull the whole thing out. I did get one of these from my mother, who's 93 years old. This kind of spurred me to buy this lamp because she didn't have a lamp that was bright enough for her reading. So it has a kind of a nice heavy bottom that just pulls right off. So the cord actually goes right through. So we can just pull the cord, and the bottom piece just appears to screw right in to the first piece. Let me actually move the box out of the way. I don't even know if I need the directions, to be honest with you. And what's nice is that there's these little feet which will lift it above the actual nut down here, so you know the cord can actually slide anywhere, and then this will actually hook up, I'm sure, to this section, but we'll get to that in a bit. Let me take off the actual plastic. It's well packaged. What I like about it is it's really compact. Let me grab the plastic. Toss it out. So you just have to go one at a time. You just screw in each piece one by one. One just stacks on top of the other. And that one's on. It just screws in. Now I'm going to drop it on the ground. And this is going to screw right into the piece below it. bit. See it? And then there's one final piece. I want to make sure that the actual wire threads through, and you want to just have to screw this with the lamp spinning. Just screwing in the final piece. All right, so this is kind of a gooseneck, which is really nice. So you can move it around any way you want. It's let's see, if we stand it up totally like this, the full height is 67.5 inches. So that's 5 feet 7.5 inches. So let's bend it over a little bit. Now I'm going to bend this down, bring it up onto the desk, and show you. Here is the plug itself. So I just measured the length of this cord, and it's 6 feet long. So that should be perfect for your needs, I would imagine. I think it's fine for my needs. So this is the bottom piece that came kind of out the bottom of the lamp, and this is the piece that just part of the plug. It just pushes right in like that, nothing to it. This goes in the wall. Pretty straightforward. So now let's look at some of the features. Okay, so now I'm going to just show you how to operate this TaoTronics LED floor lamp. It's pretty straightforward. It has two different buttons, these circular buttons here. The one to the right is a power button, which looks like a power button on a computer. What's nice about it is that it emits a light when the lamp is not on, or when the room is dark, so that you know where the actual switch is. So it's helpful if you're just in the dark and you want to turn on the light. There are 4 different brightness levels with the lamp, and there are 4 different temperature levels, which is this button right here. So let me just turn it on, and that is actually the lowest brightness level. What I've noticed is that whatever setting you had it on, when you shut it off, it'll come on at that setting. And so if we hit it again, it goes up 1 brightness level. You hit it again, it goes up 1 more, and you hit 1 more, and that's the highest brightness setting. Now if we hit the color temperature switch or button, it changes kind of the shade of the color, or the temperature of the color of the light. Here's another one which is kind of soothing. I think I like that setting. Another one, and there's 1 more. And then to shut off the light, it's very simple. You're just going to go right to the power button and just hold it down for like a second, and then it'll shut off. So it's very simple to use. It's well made. It has a really solid base. It's a square base. It's metal. Everything is metal except for this section here, which is kind of like a rubber-like material because it bends. And I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.